Sorry for getting emotional. I just really love cats.
This is my first attempt at
I sound like that freaking...
eHarmony video.
Wasn't there a person who
I'm
cried
nervous,
about
but
loving
I'm
cats
excited
so much?
at the same
Some
time.
ancient Mei.
So I'm just gonna start
Sorry,
talking
I
about
ruined
what I like.
everything.
I
Sorry for
love
getting
cats.
emotional. I just
I
really
love every kind of cat. I just wanna hug all of them, but I can't hug every cat.